Good day, my viewers all over the world. Mr. Chidiade is here again to take us on equations with fractions, or otherwise known as equations involving fractions. What are we talking about? It is where you have equations and you also have fractions. So all you need to do, like I did in my previous video, is let's look at number one question. I have 1 over x is equals to 1 over 5. So what I will do in this case, because it is demarcated by equality sign, I do not need to waste my time. If I like, I can use the LCM format, but I think that will take us a longer time. So what I will do in this case is strictly to go straight and cross multiply. So in this case, because it's demarcated by equality sign, I will cross multiply. So x times 1, I will have x. And then 5 times 1, I will have 5. I've been able to trash number 1. As easy, as simple as it is. So let us also look at number 2. This is number 1, trashed. Number 2 is kind of complicated, but the formula or the method remains the same. So in this case, we are going to look for the LCM of 4x, x, and then 3. So those of us who are not conversant with looking for LCM of this, we will use this opportunity and remind us of the LCM of this. So I'm going to write them out here. 4x, x, and then 3. This, what can go, I know that my prime numbers can go. Those numbers that no other number can divide except itself and 1. So the first prime number I know, and that is what it is 2. And 2 can divide something there. So for 2 to divide, that means I will use 2. 2 here, I will have 2x. 2 here cannot go. I will bring it down. 2 cannot go. I will still bring it down the way it is. So 2 continues because it can still go somewhere. 2 here, I have x left. 2 here cannot go. 2 here I have 3. Then the next number that can go and the next prime number after 2 is 3. So 3 here, I have x, and I have 1. Now what can go next? X can. X here I will have 1, x here I will have 1. This is already 1. So now my LCM of 4x, x, and 3 is going to be 2 times 2 times 3 times x. And I'm having 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times x is 12x. So the LCM of this is 12x. So now I'm going to go straight to the point. Each of them will come and divide the LCM. So we move here. 4x will be dividing this. So 12x divided by 4x, I will have, let's show working. This is going to be 12x divided by 4x. So x can take care of x. 4 here 1, 4 here is 3. So what I have here is 3. So that is 3 times 9. I will be having 27 minus the same thing I did here, I will do here. This x will divide 12x. Will be divided by x. So x will take x, leaving you with 12. That 12 times minus 5, I will have minus 60. 3 will come and divide 12x. So this and this will go, and this gives us 4x. 4x times 11, I will have 44. X equals to 0. So now it has formed a straight line equation where I will now collect my like terms. So I have, this is going to be 44x equals to, this one will move 60 minus 27. So I will have 44x equals to 33. 44x equals to, okay, at this point we can divide all through directly by the coefficient of the x, which is 44 by 44. So this and this goes away, leaving us with x. Something can go here. So I know 11 can go. 11 here is 3, 11 here is what? 4. Therefore, my x here is equals to what I have here left, which is 3 over 4. So I want to also touch number 3 briefly, because that's this number 3, all I will do, because it looks like number 1, is just to cross and multiply. So you do not need to waste time when you see some of these things. So I'll move this and this. Okay, I'll just solve 5 times r is 5r. This and this will give us minus 35. Why here? We move here now. This and this will give us equals to 8r, and this will give us plus 4. We can now collect like terms. So this is going to be 5r. This one goes over and becomes minus 8r equals to 4. This is plus 35. So we have this is minus 3r is equals to 39. We divide all through by minus 3 by minus 3. So this and this goes, leaving us with r, as 3 can go here, 3 here 1, 3 here 1, 3 here 3. We have minus 13. R therefore is equals to minus 13. So I would like you to do this and tell us what you will get in the comment section. Thank you, and we'll meet in the next class. Bye. So this number 4 is also very simple. If you follow what I did in the first, what I did in the second, and what I just did here, you will agree with me that number 4 will be very easy. So what I want us to do is to do it together. Everybody should follow and understand it. So if you have been following my channel and you are not yet confident in yourself about solving mathematical problems, then you need to rethink, because this channel is not only going to be solving questions, it will make you stronger, it will make you have confidence. And we have a lot of topics here. All you need to do is to come over, look for the topics that you usually find difficult in your different areas that you need them. Then come here, it will be trashed. Thank you. Let us quickly do this one. In this one, I do not need to waste time, just like I didn't waste time here. You cross and multiply. So what do I have there now? I have this times this now. You know, before I started from the left hand side, I need to start from the anywhere I like, I start. So once you know what you're doing, anyhow you do it, as long as you know how to manipulate and bring down your result, you will get the correct answer. So 2 times 2x, I will have 4x. 2 times minus 5, I will have minus 10 equals to, now this and this will give me 3x, and this will give me plus 12. Now I will collect my like terms, the ones that look alike. So this is 4x, this one comes over and becomes minus 3x equals to, you write this first, 12, this moves over and becomes plus 10. This is 4x minus 3x, I will have x is equals to, this is going to give me 22, and that is my final answer. Tell me whether you understand it and how you feel about these things I'm pieces in here in the comment section. Bye.